I'll be honest. I don't know if I installed this right. Honest. I don't know if I installed this right. I read the instructions, seems like it. Fuck it, we send it, right? Everything bolts up, so I'm gonna guess it's right. Time to see if it hopefully fits with the wheels without raising it up, because I do not want to raise it up. That's why I cut some more, but we'll see. So I could already tell that I have less camber, but it's definitely gonna touch up top, so I'm definitely now gonna have to roll it. We'll do a little pull, but at least now it's possible. Now that I cut it, it should just be a lot easier. But let's see how it looks lowering it down. This whole entire time, I did not have the mic plugged in.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Well, if you didn't hear me, I thought it wasn't gonna fit. Somehow it fits. I mean, the car still gotta settle, but, I mean, it doesn't rub. All right, now, we gotta work on the front, lower the front. This side is a little bit lower. It's not bad, but obviously I'm gonna lower it more. I don't think I have to cut. Well, maybe I should a little bit to be on the safe side, but on this side's way higher. This side gotta get fixed for sure. not bad. It's kind of matches, right? Maybe a tiny bit more. But then this one still kind of needs that's inside. Still a little bit higher compared to the driver's side. So we'll have to lower this one a little bit more. 3/4 as well. Proud of myself.
Oh my god. Oh hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
Alright, so it does rub a little bit. Everything went flying in here. Poor little guy, it's been charging. But other than that, it just rubs a tiny bit.